Hi, my name is Ryan Washer, and today in this video I'll be going through how to compute the proton density fat fraction from water and fat images. PDFF is a measurement used in medical imaging, particularly in MRI, to quantify the amount of fat present in a specific tissue or organ. However, the purpose of this video is not to dive too deep into what a PDFF image is, but rather to be a tutorial on how this feature works. So we start by loading up our water and fat images as two underlay channels, as the result of the computation will be a PDFF image loaded as the overlay. So let's click on the file icon. Let's open our first image. This is the water image. And then we'll click on File, Underlay, Load Special, Add Channels, and then we'll click on our fat image. And there you have it. So now as you can see for our underlay, we have two channels. This is the fat and this is the water. So let's try and compute the PDFF right now. So as you can see, it's telling us that we need a water and fat channel. So we have the channels, however, the computation of the PDFF will depend on which is the water image and which is the fat. So we have to label them accordingly. So we can do that by going to Channels, Set Channel Information, and then we'll just change this to water. And then we click over here to change the channel to the second channel, and we'll do the same thing, but we'll name this one fat. Now that we have our two water and fat channels, we are just about ready to compute the PDFF. However, in order to do so, the fat and water images must share the same units, which can be seen next to our channel name. So you see our fat channel units are AU, same goes for the water channel. Currently they do share the same units, but let me just show you what would happen if they didn't. So let's go to Channel, Set Channel Information. This is where you can change the units for your channels. So we'll change this to HU. And to compute the PDFF, we go to Relaxometry, Compute MRI PDFF. And as you can see, it's telling us that our channels do not share the same units. So we're just going to go ahead and undo that because we know that they originally had the same units. So now we can go ahead and compute once again. Since this is a tutorial, I don't need to save the project file, but you could click Save here. I'm going to discard it. And the PDFF image has been loaded as the overlay. So there you have it. It's a quick and simple process, but as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to let us know. Our contact info will be in the description of this video or can be found on our website. Have a good day.